If you find yourself unable to access your Shopify account due to a lost email, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page and click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your store name. In the password recovery section, enter your Shopify store name. This is the unique name you chose when setting up your store. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. If you do not have access to the email associated with your account, look for options to recover your account using your phone number or by answering security questions if set up. Step 4. Contact Shopify support. If the alternative recovery options do not work, reach out to Shopify support directly. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account, including your store name and any other identifying details. Step 5. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. Shopify may ask for information such as your billing details or any recent transactions to confirm that you're the account owner. Once you have followed these steps, you should be able to recover your Shopify account. If you encounter any issues, continue to work with Shopify support for further assistance.